Tarushi, which is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Okay. Which animal has a trunk?
Elephant.
Which animal has black and white stripe?
Zebra.
Zebra. Which animal has two humps?
Cow.
Two humps. Two hump.
Lead.
Two hump.
Ox.
Ox, one hump. Two humps.
Camel.
Very good. Which animal has one horn or nose?
Rhino.
Very good. Which animal is hanging in the tree?
Monkey.
Very good. Which animal swims in water?
Hippo.
Hippo. Very good. Which animal lives in the den, stays in the den?
Lion.
Lion. Very good. Baby dog?
Puppy.
Baby cat?
Kitten.
What is baby cow?
Calf.
Calf. What is baby sheep?
Lamb.
Very good. What is baby lion? Small?
Cub.
Very good.
Good lion.
Which animal barks? Huh?
Doggy.
Doggy. Which animal sounds meow?
Cat.
Okay. Which animal sounds moo?
Cow.
Which animal sounds quack quack?
Duck.
Which animal sounds croak croak?
Frog.
Frog. Okay. Which animal sounds meh?
Goat.
Okay. Which animal sounds roar?
Lion.
Okay.